Hello, Mohammad Islam here from Let's Flex. In this video, we are going to discuss GoHighLevel account types and how many types in account and how we can create sub account and the benefit of sub account. And we will discuss agency account and what feature we have in agency account. We will discuss all features as well. I have started from basic to advanced GoHighLevel training in step by step. So let's dive in video and I will show you main difference and also we will discuss all features as well. We are going to discuss here agency account, or we can say that's main account. So it's basically agency account detail and discussion, and then after that we will discuss about sub account and we can say that main account. Agency account, what we are able to do in agency account, you can say that primary account or agency account create when sign up with the for GoHighLevel. When you go to the GoHighLevel official website, when you sign up here, you will get agency account. By the way, right now you see there are a 14-day trial, but if you go with my affiliate link in a description box below, and it will be a 30-day extended free trial, and also I will jump with you a call and I will discuss all the stuff with you and explain you all things, and even I can give you free snapshot and set up your account white label customization as well, like this one I did for myself. I will do for your agency and your business as well. So right now let's go back in a video. So here you can, when sign up, you will get your main account and you can say that it's agency account and it's managed by the owner. You are the owner of this agency account. When you buy it, you can manage each and everything here. So let me go back here and I will say that we will discuss about the feature of main agency account. Full administrative control in a main account, or we can say agency dashboard. Manage users, manage settings and sub accounts, access to billing and overall platform configurations as well. You can access these all features in it, and I will show you what you can access in this in the main dashboard. Right now I am in agency account, and here you can see you can check your prospects and you can create your sub account. You can create account snapshot, or you can say that a template that you can import in other agency accounts or any other sub account. You have reselling option, you have marketplace, you have affiliate portal where you can check your affiliate, where you can launch your apps, and where you can reselling apps. I will just show you reselling apps. For example, you want to sell this this app officially price is $15, but you can sell in a $20, $5 go into your account, use to sell to your sub accounts. And similar, you have marketplace where you can publish your own apps and your own snapshots or something like that. There is a templates library where you can upload your templates, and there is university partners and SaaS educations as well, GHL swag, mobile application and a marketplace. These all main access you have in a agency account. But when we'll go to the sub account, and this sub account, what you will have in a sub account, here you can see a secondary account under the main account. It's basically a sub account this agency, and here we can create sub account, and in sub account we have all these things. And often user can individually clients or project. It should be your different projects. For example, we can say that you have two business. One is a hair loss, one is a barber shop business, and you don't need to buy a 2 and 3 GoHighLevel account. You need to buy one GoHighLevel account, and under one GoHighLevel account you can create two different sub accounts for your two different business. And if you go with the 497 or 297 plan, then you can build unlimited business account, sub account, and you can sell to your customer as well, make your business as a SaaS. Another main features of sub account is customizable and specific to the client's project. You can customize all things to sell to your sub accounts and manage assigned team members, or you can manage your team members and ask them to add more team members. Limited scope of compared to the main account. Yeah, you don't have overall a scope, like you don't have a payment scope, you don't have a sales your snapshots, you don't have access to resales your apps and something like that in a sub account. and I will show you difference between these account as well, so you will get idea what's the difference between these account. So here basically we have two different in main account we have administration access, and we will access all things. In sub account within the main account, but it's a hierarchy of sub account. Use the isolated client project workspace and control billings and platform and other things as well. Let me show you else. Right now I'm in a agency account, and I will go to login in my one of my sub account. I will say that I'm going with the leads flex sub account. And in leads flex in a sub account, what we have here, here you see right now we have in a sub account, and here we have dashboard, conversation, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments. You can complete business management tools here, even reputation management, media storage, and reportings as well. You can manage all of your business here. It's a super easy for your one business, and if you have, for example, other business, you can just create another sub accounts, and you can create unlimited sub account if you go with the 297 plan. But if you go with my affiliate link, I will jump with you on a Zoom call, and I will discuss all these things, and I will also do white label for you as well, like this one. Put your domain here and put your all colors and brand swag as well for your own business. So simply go to the leadsflex.com and book free consultation after the buy with my affiliate link. I will provide affiliate link in description box below. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share and comments on video as well. Thank you so much for